English to Pashto short sentences. Why to go there? هلته تله ولی دی. Why to go there? It's inner secret. دا دننی خبره ده. It's inner secret. I waited long for you. ما ستا ډیر انتظار وکو. I waited long for you. When do I see you again? بیا به کله میلاویږو. When do I see you again? The sooner the better. چې څومره زری دومره ښه ده. The sooner the better. Please hold on. لږ صبر وکا. Please hold on. I have been out since morning. زه د سحر راسی بهر یم. I have been out since morning. Is there anything special? آیا څه خاص خبره ده؟ Is there anything special? I had gone there once. زه یو ځل هلته تلی وم. I had gone there once. It is very cold outside. بهر ډیره یخني ده. It is very cold outside. Open the lid. ډکن کولاو کا. یعنی د بوتل ډکن کولاو کا. Open the lid. All is fair. هر څه چلیږي. All is fair. Put on your shoes. پایزار دی پخپو کا. Put on your shoes. I am childish. زه د وړو په شانتی یم. I am childish. یعنی زما حرکتونه د وړو دي. Don't annoy me. ما متنګوا. Don't annoy me. Don't make excuses. بانی مکوا یا بانی مجوړوا. Don't make excuses. Be with me. ما سره یا ما سره اوسه. Be with me. Don't say like this. داسې مه وایه. Don't say like this. Don't be stubborn. زد مه کوه. Don't be stubborn. Don't hurt anyone. د چا زړه مه ازاروه. Don't hurt anyone. Would you go with me? آیا ته به ما سره لاړ شې؟ Would you go with me? There is scarcity of water. دلته د اوبو کمی دی. There is scarcity of water. You didn't find anyone else. تا ته صرف زه میلاو شوی وم. You didn't find anyone else. Does it matter? څه فرق کوي سو. Does it matter? It will be raining there. هلته به باران وریږي. It will be raining there. You seem to me just like me. ته ماته زما په شان ښکارې. You seem to me just like me. The blood is oozing from the wound. د زخم نه وینه بهیږي. The blood is oozing from the wound. Who is to blame? قصوروار څوک دی؟ Who is to blame? You spoiled my mood. تا زما طبیعت خراب کو. You spoiled my mood. He must leap. هغه له تله پکار دی. He must leap. What is there in your heart? ستا په زړه کې څه دي؟ What is there in your heart? We will have to go home. مونږ له کور ته تللی دي. We will have to go home. Keep it forever. تل د پاره یې کېږده. Keep it forever. Don't be naughty. شرارتي مه جوړېږه. Don't be naughty. I was missing her. ما ته هغه یادېده. I was missing her. We didn't make a mistake. مونږ غلطي نه ده کړې. We didn't make a mistake. Will you remind me? آیا ته به ما ته یاد کې؟ Will you remind me? Kindly meet me today. مهرباني وکړه نن ما سره میلاو شه. Kindly meet me today. Don't scold that kid. دغه ماشوم مه رټه. Don't scold that kid. I believe in myself. زما په خپل ځان باور دی. I believe in myself. I am fed up with you. زه ستا نه تنګ شوی یم. I am fed up with you. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.